You really want to make it a great environment for these kids to learn in, because you know a healthy, comfortable environment is so much better for children to focus on their work, and you want to do good by them.
Spent all yesterday sanding down the walls, getting them ready so they can get primed and painted, decorate the classrooms, just make it a prettier place for the kids to go to school.
I've been on desk building duty, so that's really satisfying, and I feel like it's an homage to my dad because he really taught me how to build. We've built 21 desks so far, so that's pretty exciting. It's specific to what I am able to give. You know, it's a gift I can give to them, a smile and a desk and something very hands-on. It's definitely my personality, so it's been great.
Joe, I think I like chiseling.
It's been very satisfying, even though it feels like baby steps, to come in each day and have the place look different, to come in each day and have 8 more desks built. And to know that you're a part of that. You know, we've had a lot of help from the local teachers and families and some of the construction staff there. We couldn't do it on our own, but it certainly has been every morning when we get there and you recount the number of desks you've made. It's a good feeling that at least you can see yourself making a difference.
It's been so wonderful because the kids were here, the teachers were here, they're participating and helping, sanding and painting, and they obviously appreciate it very much, and we feel like we're doing something that's really meaningful for them.
Especially the clear water system for them. It's really going to enhance their lives and make life a little bit better for them. I mean, we take a lot of things for granted, and for them, like, this is like basic necessities. So it's just amazing work.